Howdy everybody, it's day 6 of our 12 days of Christmas giveaway. Today we're giving away a $100 gift card to freezedryingsupplies.com. So let's see who our big winner is today. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. Rhonda Stockstill of Vermont, Illinois. Rhonda Stockstill, you get a $100 gift card to freezedryingsupplies.com. You can spend that any way you like. Stay tuned tomorrow for our next big prize, all the way up to Christmas Day, which we're giving away a freeze dryer. And now we can announce also that the Christmas Eve we're giving away an Avid Armor USV32 chamber vacuum sealer. And that vacuum sealer is about a $600 prize. So Christmas Eve is real exciting too. Christmas Day we're giving away the freeze dryer. So stay tuned. We'll post all these results and everything on Facebook, and make sure you tune in every day at 9 a.m. for the rest of the days. We'll see you then.